have to say what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. Yeah. It's my last weekend in San Antone. Yesterday was my last day working at the salon, so I went and said goodbye to everybody, cried, and then Vanessa and I were supposed to go eat dinner at this pizza place downtown that's really good, and then say goodbye, but then we didn't want to say goodbye, so we bought like a couple bottles of champagne and went back to her place. Did what we usually do, get super drunk and dance until we passed out.
Read the world is yours on a blimp. Tell me free, lose red your wings like sky on the pallet.
I literally passed out on a chair and she passed out on the floor. It was really funny. Then she drove me to my car that was at the salon this morning. So then I said goodbye to her. I was like, I would cry right now, but I can't because I'm a little dehydrated from last night. Then I went to my favorite coffee shop that was right by my apartment for the last time. And I was just like, oh my God, it's the end of an era. It's just crazy. Like turning the page on that whole chapter of my life. It was very, very, the most important chapter of my life so far. So it's crazy. And I'm a little sad, but you know what? We're gonna get through this together. Let me see. What are you thinking? We're discussing tattoo ideas. We want to go get some tattoos today. That's it? Well, Mom's nervous. What are you getting?
I'm telling her.
Sagittarius. Amaze. We built it ourselves. Good? There was like every kind of Bloody Mary mix that you could possibly think of. Did you just see that bird? It almost flew into your head.
My hand?
Yeah.
B505. Some less hot or less small.
Cheers. What is that?
What?
On your upper lip.
Isn't that cute in that?
You would.
On the beach.
Little crop top.
Thanks.
Oh my God. That's freaking cute.
Do the moonwalk.
I don't know how.
I can move it over too.
Yeah, hit it over again.
In front of a family that I haven't met yet.
No. There's more over here. They don't look too big though. Oh. Okay.
Rotators are okay. I've got these plain steel ones and silicone.
I was gonna put in a piece of storage. Hold up.
We're here because of you, and you're not even getting it. No. Do you breathe? Please breathe. And he's like, oh my God, it's gone. I was like, oh, okay, let's go here. End of your hair. So like, get on there.
Yeah. Later.
Cute.
Now I'm gonna have to find a black market guy.
I would have, but yeah, sure. This was their idea, and I'm the only one that got
never
anything.
said do that.
Yeah, you did. Let's get tattoos. Let's get tattoos.
But they wouldn't let him, and
Okay,
it was
I'll
only
get a piercing.
fair.
Give me the pie. Give me the pie. We're pulling over to eat our pie, so we don't go home and eat it in front of Dad and Joey. We're not sharing.
Mine looks better than yours. It's almost like you're eating peanut butter out of a jar.
Yeah, that's the best.
It will never change.
We might have to save this and hide it.
lock me in.
Ready, guys? Ready, guys? Bring it home.
And I'll be
The story of my life, I give her all, I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Joey and I just made a pineapple upside down cake for a video. And spoiler alert, it was delicious. We should sing happy birthday to the dogs. Since we're all gathered here together today to celebrate the dog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear manager. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your cake. Good. Yeah, happy birthday.